In today's video, I'm here to talk about recent fresh insight which has came into my life. So last year, before exactly 3 to 4 months, I decided to re-introspect myself. I was not knowing that pandemic is going to come or anything. I didn't know about corona, but I had so many questions about my personality, myself. Am I living a nice kind of life, or am I living in a right direction, or am I fearful, or am I actually fearing judgment of people? So these were some of the questions for me. So I decided to reevaluate my whole personality for myself, for betterment of myself. So that is why I handpicked 3 books to make you a better you, the better version of yourself. I'm not saying that I am completely a changed person after reading it, or I have sorted all out, or I have gained a major success or anything like that. See, a transformation is not going to happen overnight. Motivation always makes you to go towards whatever you desire to have. So it is not the ultimate place, but it is definitely helpful to get your place. So okay, let's not waste the time. The first book is Dhantada Ikigai. So, why Ikigai? According to the author, Ikigai is the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. True. So, basically, the zest of this book, according to me, is what you should do what you love, and you should love what you do. You have only 2 options in life. Either you can love what you do, or you are not loving it, then you should find what you love. And it gives the insight how some of the Japanese people and how some of the people around the globe have done it by themselves, how they have lived a life which they always wanted to live. So basically, this is not about successful people. This is about, if you are on right track, live you'll lead a happy, healthy and peaceful life. I was actually able to sink in the fact that it's not about success, it's about what you want. So thanks Ikigai for that. After Ikigai, I read the second book, which is now one of my favorite, Alif Shafak's 40 Rules of Love. Yeah. So by its name, you might be thinking it's a romantic novel. No, it's not. Don't judge a book by its cover. So basically, it's not a romantic novel. It is based on the famous poet Rumi's life. So it gives you a fresh insight on the life of Rumi and Shams of Tabriz, who was actually in a love affair, a platonic kind of love affair with Rumi. So Shams, according to Sham of Tabriz, there are 40 rules of love, which is the most important thing to live a very happy life. And those 40 rules of love he derived from Sufism. So this book is all about Sufism. If you want to indulge into what we say in Gujarati, Nijanand, if you want to indulge into happiness within your mind, the true happiness which cannot die, which gives you immense pleasure, you should read this book. It has helped me a lot with quarantine, because I started this book after quarantine, after the lockdown began, and it has given me the major amount of mental peace. So I used to quickly grab this book as soon as quarantine used to hit me hard. So this was my love during the initial stage of lockdown, and I really recommend this book after Ikigai. So Ikigai makes you aware what you actually want in life. After that, if you read this book, it makes you aware how do you lead a peaceful life. So once you know what you want from your life, this helps you building some major ground rules by yourself, how you set your priority, and how you do not let the surrounding situation and people affect your mental peace. So this book is very important for those who are who really want to go out of the loop of judgment, loop of fear, loop of fearing the world, because this has helped me start my blogging. So this says Sufism, it's a very beautiful term I have known after reading this book. And third thing, which is a major bombshell, comes into your life, which is, ooh, you are a badass. This is written by Jen Sincero, and it says, you are a badass, how to stop doubting your greatness and start living an awesome life. And this is all about what its title says, believe me. So, after you know what are the ground rules, what are the actual rules of living a peaceful life, this is the most recommended one. This is all about how you survive in this practical world, in today's world, being a badass. It has helped me overcome my shortcomings, and it has helped me pushing my boundaries at the next level. And don't look at its yellow cover, and don't look at its feminine look. It's not about female. She is a female, writer is a female, but it really helps. Don't be gender biased, basically. So yeah, I really wanted to share the greatness of these three books I read recently. Please, this is a sunshine alert. Please go through this. These are awesome.